In previous class, we are discussing about different types of functions, namely one-one function, onto function, bijection, inverse function, and composite function. Based on those types, by solving so many problems. Okay. Now here today I am going to deal with last result in this topic, that is binary operation. Most important, binary operation. So what is the meaning of binary operation? Now here binary, bi means two. Binary means two elements. Operation of two elements, that is known as binary operation. Kannada word trimana kriye. Three andre ಎರಡು. Bi means two. Binary means two elements. Operation of two elements, that is known as binary operation. So mathematically define binary operation. Look here, if you take one set, say like S be a set or A is a set. Take anyone alpha. S be a set which is non-empty set. Which is non-empty set. Non-empty means having some elements. Empty set means having no elements. So remember, S be a set which is non-empty set, then an operation denoted by the symbol star. This is notation for star. An operation star is said to be binary operation on the set S. BO means binary operation on the set S. Now binary operation agutte if the condition, remember, if for all, Greek symbol, Greek notation, for all the elements say A and B belong to S, then this implies A star is also belongs to S. That is the definition of binary operation. Remember, S be a set which is non-empty set, an operation denoted by the notation star is said to be binary operation on the set S if the condition for every element, say in general A and B belongs to S, implies combine those two, A star is also belongs to S. Okay. Now here, what is the meaning of star? Star means what? Star is a rule in which for every pair of elements, pair means two, for every pair of elements can be combined to get a unique solution. That solution belongs to the same set S. That is known as binary operation denoted by star. Okay, yes ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂತ ಒಂದು ಸೆಟ್ ಇದೆ which is non-empty set. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅದವು. ಬೈನರಿ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ S ಸೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅದವು. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಆಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಇನ್ ಜನರಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ there are four types of operations, namely addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Okay, so star it may be addition ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, or it may be multiplication, or it may be division, or it may be subtraction. ಆ S ಸೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಆಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ, ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಅಥವಾ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ, ಆರ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ, ಆರ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಯಾವ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಎರಡು ನಂಬರ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ ಅದೇ ಸೆಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನೋನ್ ಆಸ್ ಬೈನರಿ ಆಪರೇಷನ್. ಆ ಸೆಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಇದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ that is not binary operation. Okay, so definition, S be a set which is non-empty set, an operation denoted by the notation star is said to be binary operation on the set S if the condition for all elements, for every elements in general say A and B belong to S, implies combine those two, A star also belongs to yes. ಅವೆರಡು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಆಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಅದೇ ಸೆಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಯಾವ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಎರಡು ನಂಬರ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ ಆ ಎರಡು ನಂಬರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಆಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಕೂಡ ಅದೇ ಸೆಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನೋನ್ ಆಸ್ binary operation. ಆ ಸೆಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಇದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ that is not binary operation. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಏನು? It is a rule in which for every pair of elements can be combined to get a unique solution. One solution. That solution belongs to the same set. That is known as binary operation. Okay. Now, for example, on the set of natural number. On the set of natural number. What are the natural numbers? Say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. Now let us verify one by one. Instead of star, take 4 types of operations. Whether addition is binary operation, addition denoted by plus. Is it addition is binary operation on the set of natural number? Yes. Verify. Definition of binary operation. Among those natural numbers, take any two natural numbers. Either ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಯಾವಾದರೂ ಎರಡು ನಂಬರ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. Take any two. Say for all 2 and 3 belongs to natural number. Or if take 1 and 5 belongs to natural number. Or take 4 and 6 belongs to natural number. Among those, you take any two elements. Say 2 and 3 belongs to natural number. Implies and these two. Operation is addition. Instead of star, star value is addition. 2 plus 3, how much? 5. 5 belongs to natural number. Operate ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಅದೇ ಸೆಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದೆ ತಾನೇ? So therefore addition is binary operation on the set of natural number. Okay. What about subtraction? Is it subtraction is binary operation on the set of natural number or not? Check it. Again take same elements. Say 2 and 3 belongs to natural number. This implies 2 minus 3 minus 1. Is it minus 1 is natural number? No. Does not belong to natural number. If you take 3 and 2, okay. But if you take timers 2 and 3, for all elements, ಆದಷ್ಟು ನೋಡಬಾರದು. Take 3 and 2 ನೋಡಾಗುತ್ತೆ. If you take 2 and 3, ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? 2 minus 3 minus 1. But minus 1 is natural number? No. Therefore, subtraction is not binary operation on the set of natural numbers. Subtraction ಆಗುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. What about multiplication? Whether multiplication is binary operation on the set of natural number? Yes. Take any two numbers. Say for all 2, 3 belongs to natural number or 5, 6 belongs to natural number. Then multiply 2 into 3, 6. 6 is also natural number. Therefore, multiplication is binary operation on the set of natural number. What about division? Check it. Is it binary is binary operation? Take two numbers. Say 3 and 4 belongs to natural number. This implies operation is division. Divide 3 by 4. Is it 3 by 4 is natural number? No. Does not belong to natural number. So division is not binary operation on the set of natural number. So on the set of natural number, only two operations are satisfied, namely addition and multiplication are binary operation on the set of natural number, whereas subtraction and division are not binary operation on the set of natural number. Here, take another example. Second example, on the set of integers. What are integers? Positive number, negative number, including 0. 0 plus or minus 2 plus or minus 3 plus or minus 4 and so on. Now let us verify one by one. So is it addition is binary operation? Yes. Take any two number on the set of natural number. Make another number to say for all 3, 4 belongs to integer. Right? Implies addition. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 belongs to integer. Take another example. For all minus 3 and minus 5 belongs to integer. Because negative number is also integer. Imply minus 3 plus minus 5. Minus 3 minus 5 minus 8. That is also integer. So addition is binary operation on the set of integers. What about subtraction? Subtraction avuthe check ಮಾಡಿ. Take any two number. Say for all 1, 6 belongs to integer. Right? Subtraction. 1 minus 6. 1 minus 6 how much? Minus 5. Minus 5 is also integer. Isn't it? Integer ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ತಾನೆ? Yes. So subtraction is binary operation on the set of integers. What about multiplication? Check it. Is it multiplication is binary? Yes or no? Take any two number. Say 4 and 3 belongs to integer. Right? This implies multiplication. 4 into 3. 4 3s are 12. 12 is it integer? Yes. Therefore, multiplication is binary operation on the set of integers. What about division? Whether division is binary operation on the set of integer or not? Check it. Take two number. Say 4 and 5 belongs to integer. Right? Then operation is division. 4 divided by 5. Is it integer? No, it is not integer. It is rational number. Isn't it? So, in second example, on the set of integers, addition, subtraction, multiplication are binary operation on the set of integers, but division is not binary operation on the set of integers. Okay, take one more example. Very fine. Check on the set of rational number. On the set of rational number, denoted by Q. On the set of rational number, let us verify one by one whether addition is binary operation on a set of rational number. Yes, take into rational number, say 1 by 2 and 3 by 5. These two are rational number, belongs to rational number. Operation is addition, add 1 by 2 plus 3 by 5. LCM is 10, 2 5 are 5 2 are 5 plus 6, that is 11 by 10. Again belongs to rational number, isn't it? So addition is binary operation on the set of rational number. What about subtraction? Then rational number, let's moderate. Take any two rational number, say 1 by 2 and 3 by 7. Subtract those two, again it will become rational number. So subtraction is binary operation, addition is binary operation on the set of rational number. What about multiplication? If you take any two rational number, you multiply those two rational number, it will become again rational number or not? Yes. So multiplication is binary operation on the set of rational number. What about division? Whether division is binary operation on the set of rational number? Think it. Whether division is binary operation on the set of rational number? No. Division is not binary operation on the set of rational number. How, sir? Take two number. Say for example, for all 1 belongs to rational number, or if you take 4 belongs to rational number, any other number, 0 belongs to rational number. Is 0 is rational number or not? 0 is rational number because 0 is greater than 0.1. It is in the form p by 2, isn't it? Two numbers to one 4 and another one is 0. Take any two rational number, then operation is division. 4 upon 0, that is infinite, not defined. So division is not a binary operation on the set of rational number. Okay, they will be asked, why division is not binary operation on the set of rational number? Q reason. Take one particular example. Say for all 4 belongs to rational number and 0 belongs to rational number, then operation is division. 4 upon 0, not defined, does not belong to rational number. So division is not binary operation on the set of rational number. If you take on the set of rational number except 0, 0 bit we enter, 0 number total bit we enter, all 4 operations are satisfied. Remember, only on the set of rational number 3 operations are satisfied, namely addition, subtraction, multiplication are binary operation on the set of rational number, but division is not binary operation on the set of rational number. Whereas on the set of rational number except 0, 0 ಹೊರತುಪಡಿಸಿದರೆ all 4 operations are satisfied, namely addition, subtraction, multiplication and division are binary operation on the set of rational number. Clear? Okay. Now here one simple example, one simple question. That question was asked in previous year. Now the question like this: on the set of real number R. On the set of real number R, star is binary operation defined by a star b is equal to square root of ab. On the set of real number R defined by a star b is equal to root ab. Now the question, whether star is binary operation on the set of real number R. That question was asked in previous year. 4-5 years back, that question was asked. Now read the question carefully. On the set of real number R defined by a star b is equal to root of a. Now verify whether star is binary operation on the set of real number R. You know the definition of binary operation. Binary operation ಏನಿದೆ, ಎರಡು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಆಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಟ್ ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರ, ಎರಡು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರ, ಎರಡೂ ಆಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರ, ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರ. ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇತ್ತು, ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಬೈನರಿ ಆಪರೇಷನ್. ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬೈನರಿ ಆಪರೇಷನ್. ಐದು ಇದು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಹೌ ಟು ಚೆಕ್ ಇಟ್? ಟೇಕ್ ಒನ್ ಕೌಂಟರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್. ಟೇಕ್ a is equal to 3. Is it 3 is rational number or not? Yes. A real number or not? Yes. B is equal to minus 3. Is it minus 3 is real number or not? Yes. Then a star b is equal to root of a value 3, b value minus 5. That is root of minus 6. Is it belongs to rational real number? No, it is complex, imaginary. So star is not binary operation on the set of real number. Because, counter example, take a is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 2, a star b is equal to root of 3 into minus 2, root of minus 6, root of minus 6 does not belong to real number. So it is not binary operation. One way a root idilla andre enagitte nodi, clearly it is binary operation. So root irodrinda complex form bandutte, so it is not binary operation. In this example, star is not binary operation on the set of real number. Clear students? So remember, in general, definition of binary operation, yes, clear set, which is non-empty set, an operation denoted by the notation star is said to be binary operation on the set yes, if for every element with notation for all, ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ವೇರಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆಗೋಷ್ಟಲ್ಲ ಆ ಸೆಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಪೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಫಾರ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ in general by taking a and b, or take p and q, or take x and y in general. So a and b belongs to s. S is ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವ. ಅಥವಾ ಎರಡು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಆ ಎರಡು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಆಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಅದೇ ಸೆಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಯಾವ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಎರಡು ನಂಬರ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ ಆಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಕೂಡ ಅದೇ ಸೆಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ that is known as binary operation. Otherwise it is not binary operation. Clear students? Okay. So next concept is laws of binary operations. That is most important. Laws of binary operation. There are four important laws of binary operations. So the next concept is laws of binary operation. Most important. Now first one is associative law. Associative and commutative. Associative law and commutative. So Kannada word associative and commutative. Sarvartaniya niyama, parivartaniya niyama. So define associative law as well as define commutative. Look here. Again, take one set. Let S be a non-empty set or A be a non-empty set. Non-empty means having some elements. Okay. If in general, say in general A star of B star C is equal to A star B of star C. Just interchanging the bracket. If A star of B star C is equal to A star B of star C for all the elements A, B, C belongs to S, then star is said to be associative in S. This is the definition of associative. If this condition is satisfied, what is that? In general, A star of B star C is equal to A star B of star C. For example, instead of star, take addition. 1 plus of 2 plus 3 is same as 1 plus 2 of plus. Are they equal or not? Yes. Similarly, 1 into 2 into 3 is same as 1 into 2 into 3. Only addition and multiplication are satisfied in associative property. Okay, in general, if A star of B star C is equal to interchange bracket A star B of star C, if this condition is satisfied, then star is said to be associative in S. Whereas if A star B is equal to B star B. Remember that is symmetric property. A B plus B. In general, for example, 1 plus B is same as 2 plus 1. Or 2 into 3 is same as 3 into 2. Okay. In general, if A star B is equal to B star A, for all A comma B belongs to S, then star is said to be commutative in S. Commutative of if A star B is equal to B star A. 1 plus 3 is same as 2 plus 1. 4 into 5 is same as 5 into 4. In general, A into B is same as B into A. In general, A star B is equal to B star A. If this condition is satisfied, it is said to be commutative in S. Associative property: if A star of B star C equals A star B of star C, if this condition is satisfied, then star is said to be associative in S. Whereas if A star B is equal to B star A, then star is said to be commutative in S. Okay, based on those two definitions. Now, for example, a simple question. That question was asked in previous year. That is 2 mark question. Now, the question like this. Question: on the set of rational number Q defined by A star B is equal to AB upon 2 or AB upon 4 for all A comma B belongs to rational number. On the set of rational number Q, star is binary operation defined by A star B is equal to AB upon 2, where A and B belongs to rational number. Now the question: verify that or prove that star is both associative and commutative. Verify that star is both associative and commutative. That is 2 mark question. So you know the definition of associative property. What is that? A star of B star C is equal to A star B of star C. Commutative property: A star B is equal to B star B. Now here first to do associative. To prove that LHS is equal to RHS. Okay. Now in associative, take LHS. Left hand side L. A star of B star C is equal to, simplify, A star, since given data A star B is equal to AB by B, that is given. Instead of A and B, here letter B and C. A star B is the AB by B. A ಮತ್ತು B plus ಏನಿದೆ, B ಮತ್ತು C ಇದೆ. Now what is B star C? BC by B. Correct? Okay. Now that is A star. Put BC by 2 is equal to X, where X is equal to BC upon 2. This is X upon. Now here it is in the form A star X. Again back to given data. Since given A star B is equal to AB by 2, instead of B, here I have X. What is A star X? That is AX divided by B. Right? That is equal to A by 2, and it is the value of X is BC by 2. That equals ABC divided by 2 to some 4. All as equation 1. Again this is the form P by 2, rational number, right? Then take RHS. A star B of star C is equal to A star B, that is given AB by 2 stars. Put AB upon 2, call it as 1. Y star C, where Y is equal to AB by 2. Okay, take Y is equal to AB by 2. Okay, Y value is AB by 2. Since A star B is equal to AB upon 2, instead of A and B, here Y and C. What is Y star C? Here I will YC by 2. Right? That is equal to the value of Y, AB by 2 into C by 2. That equals ABC divided by 2 to some 4. Equation 2. Again this is the form P by 2. Are they same? Yes. Therefore, from equation 1 and 2, it follows that we conclude that what happens? LHS is equal to RHS. Are they equal? Yes. Therefore, star is associative. Star is associative. Also to prove that commutative. Also commutative property A star B equal B star. Now A star B LHS. What is A star B? That is given AB by. What of B star A? B star A equal PA by. Right? And you know that, for example, 2 into 3 is same as 3 into 2. 5 into 4 is same as 4 into 5. 7 into 8 is same as 8 into 7. In general, A into B is same as B into A. Very well. Okay. But A into B is nothing but what? A star. B into A is nothing but what? B star. So A star B is equal to B star A. Therefore, star is commutative. Okay. That question was asked in previous year. 2 mark question. Okay. Verify that whether star is associative as well as commutative or not. Clear, students? So another laws of binary operation, that is third one is, first one is associative property, second one commutative law. Okay. Yes. So law of binary operation, first one associative law. Second one is commutative law. Commutative law. Third one is identity law or identity axiom. And finally, fourth one is inverse law or inverse axiom. So first two already discussed. Okay. Then third one, identity law. Define identity element or identity axiom. Look here. Define identity axiom or identity law. Again, yes, we have said which is non-empty set. So for all A belongs to set yes, because S is non-empty set, having so many number of elements, right? Other one element only. Now say A, or if you take say B, there exists. This is Greek symbol, Greek notation. Write it as there exists an identity. There exists an identity which is denoted by say the letter E belongs to S. Identity element denoted by the letter E. In general, E. So for all A belongs to S, there exists an identity element which is denoted by E belongs to S, such that A star E is same as E star A is equal to A itself. This is the definition of identity element. ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. S ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಾನ್ ಎಂಟಿ ಸೆಟ್, ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇವೆ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಯಾವುದು A. Then its identity element ಕೂಡ ಆ ಸೆಟ್ ಒಳಗಿದೆ. ಆ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಯಾವುದು? In general E. In general E. Such that A star E, that is same as E star A, commutative property. A star E ಎಂದು ಒಂದೇ, E star A ಎಂದು ಒಂದೇ. A star E is same as E star A. ಎರಡನ್ನು ಆಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? Given element A element. ಅದೇ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. This is in general the definition of identity. Now for example, instead of star ಬಗ್ಗೆ addition operate ಮಾಡಿ. If you take addition operate ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? A plus E is same as E plus A is equal to A. ನೋಡಿ, A plus E is same as E plus A, both are same, that is equal to A. Answer ಏನೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಇದೇ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇದೇ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಬರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ what is the value of E? E value ಏನಿರಬೇಕಾದ್ರು? It must be 0, because A plus 0 is same as 0 plus A is equal to A itself. So remember, in addition ನಲ್ಲಿ identity element is always 0. Remember, in addition identity element is always 0. What of in multiplication toward A into E is same as E into A is equal to A itself. What is E value in multiplication? E value should be 1. Okay, because A into 1 is same as 1 into A is equal to A. So note that in addition, identity element is always 0. Remember, whereas in multiplication, identity element is always 1. Multiplication E value ಏನು ಕೊಡಬೇಕು? 1. Addition E value 0. In general star mention ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ identity element is denoted by E. Okay. Now based on the definition of identity element, they will ask seed question. Seed simple question. On seed question, on the set of rational number Q, star is binary operation defined by A star B is equal to AB upon 3. Now the question is, then the identity element is option A 0, option B 1, option C 2, option D 3. To find the identity, ಈಗ addition ಇಲ್ಲ, multiplication ಇಲ್ಲ, operation general ಆಗಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. How to solve? Apply the definition of identity. What is the definition of identity? A star E is same as E star A is equal to what? A. This is both are equal. Commutative property. Now A star E is equal to A or E star A is equal to A. Now the question to find the value of E. That value of E will also belongs to rational number. How to solve? Using the definition A star E is equal to A. Since A star B is equal to AB by 3, that is given. Instead of B, we have written E. What is A star B? AE by 3. Right? B by E, AE by 3 is equal to A. Cross multiply. A into E is equal to 3A. Divide both sides by A. E is equal to 3. Belongs to Q. 3 is rational number. So that identity element is 3. Okay. ನೋಡಿ CGL ಪ್ರಕಾರ ನಾವು ಇದೆ CGL ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ ಮುಗಿಸಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬೇಡ ಈಸಿ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ಕಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ AB upon 3 denominator ಏನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ that is the identity shortcut method AB upon 3. If it is 2AB upon 3 given, A star B is equal to 2AB upon 3 is given, what is the identity? Direct method to convert given data in the form of AB. ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಈಗ AB upon 3 is the identity denominator value, but if 2AB upon 3 है, this can be written as AB upon 3 by 2. ಇದನ್ನು ಈ ಬೈ ಹೋಗೋ so our denominator value is 3 by 2, so that identity element is 3 by 2. Remember, most important, they may ask one in annual exam, 1 mark question. If A star B is equal to AB upon 3, find the identity element. Don't write 0, don't write 1. ಯಾವಾಗ 0 ಬರಬೇಕು? Operation addition ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ identity element is 0. Operation is multiplication, identity element is always 1. If there is star given, star mention ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ you have to calculate identity by definition of identity element. So definition of identity, remember, A star E is same as E star A is equal to A itself. Okay, then last one, inverse axiom, inverse law. But that type does not belong to your syllabus. For your knowledge purpose, define inverse axiom, inverse law. Now remember, again S is a set which is non-empty set. So definition of inverse law, say for all A belongs to set yes, E given B, there exists its inverse denoted by A inverse is also belongs to yes. For all A belongs to set yes, there exists its inverse is also belongs to yes. That inverse of set ಇರಬೇಕು such that A star A inverse is same as A inverse star A is equal to identity element E. If this condition is satisfied, then inverse axiom holds true. Inverse law holds. What is that? For all A belongs to yes, there exists its inverse also belongs to yes, such that A star A inverse is same as both are same. A inverse star A is equal to identity element E. In general star inverse. Instead of star, if you take addition A plus, what is inverse element? Don't know. Leave it. That is equal to dash plus A is equal to E. In addition, E value 0. However, in addition to E value 0 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇದು inverse ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? What is inverse of A? That is minus A. Operate A plus or minus, plus into minus minus. A minus A, that is 0. Minus A plus A, 0. So remember, in addition, inverse element is negative of the given data. 2 number ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Its inverse in addition is minus 2. Minus 5 is given. What is inverse of minus 5? Plus 5 in addition. Inverse of 7 is in addition minus 7. Inverse of 1 by 2 is minus 1 by 2. So in general, in addition, inverse element is negative of the given element. ಯಾವ element ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ negative of that element. If it is B is given, its inverse is in addition minus B. C is given, its inverse is in addition minus C. Okay, so in general A star A inverse into A inverse star A is equal to E. Whereas if you take in multiplication A into dash into A is equal to E. But in multiplication E value is 1. ನೋಡಿ multiplication identity 1 ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. So multiplication identity 1 ಬರುವಾಗ what is its inverse? 1 by 1 upon A. Right? A cancel it will become 1. So that is A into 1 by A is nothing but A inverse. Okay, in multiplication its inverse 2 into its inverse is in multiplication 1 by. If it is 3 given, its inverse is 1 by. If minus 3 is given, its inverse is minus 1 by. Okay, so remember in general in addition inverse element is negative of the given data, whereas in multiplication its inverse is its inverse. Okay, now element product its inverse. A given, its inverse is A inverse. B is given, inverse is B inverse. In multiplication, addition is negative of given inverse. So these are the laws of binary operation: associative law, commutative law, identity, inverse law. Associative is, remember, A star of B star C is equal to A star B of star C. This is associative law. Commutative, A star B is equal to B star B. 1 plus B same as 2. Identity, remember most important, A star E is same as B star A is equal to A. Then inverse law, A star A inverse is same as A inverse star A is equal to identity. In identity, note that in addition, identity element is always 0. In multiplication, identity element is always 1. Whereas in inverse law, in addition, inverse element is negative of the given element. In multiplication, inverse is 1 upon given element. 1 by given element. Okay? So these are the important laws of binary operation. By using those laws to solve the simple problems in next class. Okay? Thank you, students.